this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 20mm wheel spacers on your Subaru Forester. Let's go. After installing the 20mm wheel spacers, they can move the wheels farther away from the suspension. This enlarges the track width. As the track width increases, the Subaru Forester performance tends to get more stable, and handling usually improves too. The tire's lateral grip also improves. With these Subaru Forester wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced road and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thicknesses. This improves the hold experience on your ride. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. Bonus FT Cooling Subaru Forester wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Subaru Forester wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.